Circle.
Circle. If you look at it this way, it looks like a circle.
Prince William and Princess Kate are clearly having a lot of fun while baking. The royal couple visited Longmeadow Cider in Northern Ireland, where they baked the family farm's famous potato apple bread. The heir to the throne kept everyone in good spirits throughout. He also encouraged his wife, who seemed to take baking more seriously.
Like this?
Under guidance, he cut the apples into thin slices and didn't let the heckling distract him.
Yeah, that's fine.
I like mine thick.
You get what you give it.
The heir to the throne can only score points with royal fans with this likeable manner. Videos of his baking skills are going viral on social media. The Prince and Princess of Wales made a surprise trip to Northern Ireland on October the 14th, visiting several locations there.